What's up, guys? Happy New Year. I'm here at Moto City today taking a look at the inventory that they have here on the floor. Dude, this thing is bitchin'. Now, if you're not new to the channel, you've probably seen my Honda CB500X videos. Take a look at this. This is an older CB500X that has been outfitted with the Rally Raid products. This 2014 CB500X is a smoking deal for anybody looking to get into the adventure space at a value price point with the machine that is completely dialed. Just taking a quick walk around this machine, I can see that it has lots of the Rally Raid branded products on it. We've got crash protection. The suspension on this bike is going to be professionally done. It's going to be amazing. It also has the Rally Raid wheel setup. That's going to give you the 19-inch front wheel. It's going to perform perfectly off-road. As you can see, they're also spoked, and that's going to allow you to have better rock protection when riding this vehicle off-road. It's got a luggage rack. It's got bark busters, which give you hand guards with an aluminum backbone. Up on the top, it has auxiliary ports that have been added via the proprietary Rally Raid. Again, this is just a quick walk around. I didn't have a chance to dig into this bike, but just on the surface, these are some of the amazing parts that you can find on this perfectly built CB500X. Now, some people would question whether the CB500X is a good off-road machine. I have taken it some crazy places. So again, link at the top and in the description for those videos of the CB500X on the channel. I think it's a super solid platform. It's a great machine. So if you're interested in this motorcycle, please give Moto City a call and let them know that I sent you over there. This bike is phenomenal. If people know it's there, it is absolutely going to move. If you're in the area traveling on the 17 or visiting Phoenix, swing on down to Moto City and take a look at everything they have power sports related. I'm Bradshaw. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, take care and ride safe.